Hey guys, what up here? It's Jazzstretto from Jazzstretto Let's Play, here to show you one of my newest games in a new style format. Welcome to Hydro Thunder Hurricane. Basically, this game's a racing game, where you basically race each other boats and beat the time. First three places get the points, the rest of these are losers. Now let's go. Just move your mouse over. Let's go single player. Yeah, I'm not doing the new one just yet. I'll start from the beginning again. This is the first track. Of course, this is my favourite particular vehicle. And let's have some fun, shall we? No, looks like I got the speed boost. Nice. Thank you. Finally. Boost. Now, the first three, as I said before, the first three placings get the points. So, one of my 14th, I've got basically one lap to get to first, second, or third place. Let's do this, shall we? Damn it, missed it. Need more bloody boost. What am I? I'm 11. Ah, more boost. 10th now. Second. 9th. It's this thing here. Some great air control. 8th. Ouch! I'm still 6, that's pretty damn decent. Some of them other bloody boats. Let's go for it. 4. There's top 3 right in front of me here. 3rd. Ow. Damn it, missed that booster. Piss off. Catch up with these two. Damn it, need boost. Boost. There we go. First now, so let's just hopefully... missed. Damn it. Not miss this one, I need some extra boost. Thank you. Of course, this is the most easiest track because it's only one lap, as you can see. Now, as you can see down here, these are my points at the moment, so add some more. New ring event, okay, cool, that's it. This is a fun game, I love this one. I'm not doing the new freaking bloody track, you idiots. Not yet. Treasure's got more handling. Yeah, I prefer misbehave. Let's continue, shall we? Got the boost. Go. Thank you. 15. So, 12 boats things. Yeah, get out of the way, you idiot. Let's go, shall we? Oh shit. Damn it, reload, go, 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 go. Missed. Piss off. Missed. Oh well. I'm 12th at the minute. See if I cannot pick up some more space. Thank you, boys. Ow. 8, 7, 6, 5th. That's all. First, again. We'll soon come to see why I love this game. Unfortunately, I'm not going to get the thingers because I hate running into those damn things. Still got plenty of boosts for the moment, so. Thanks, Odin. Oh, good, small boost. That's what I need. Here we go, this is a one-lap event, so I win! Woohoo! Nice! I don't think that's the best time I've gotten, but I'll do one more track with you, which is Storming Asgard, Monster Island.
Choose your boat. Misbehave.
Let's try this one, shall we? Got the boost. That's the one thing I love about this particular boat. It's got great air control. Let's go do this, shall we? So this is only a short track. So it's only got 3 levels. What am I up to? 12th thing here. Ah, shit. Damn it. Not the way I wanted, but oh well. Slow down a bit, man. Let's do this, shall we? 9th. Shit. Pulled up in first time. That's better. And let's continue on, shall we? Sorry about that, guys. Just had to duck out there for a second. Oh, piss off. Jump. First now, finally, which is good. Let's see, can I make this one? Yes, finally, I made it. Got that one front. Let's continue on, shall we? Ouch. It's coming up next, so. Like that. Even though I'm a fair distance ahead, I still like to keep the speed up. Excuse me there. Damn it. Hate that sometimes. Let's go! If I can get it. Hang on a second, guys. Should have done this before, but oh well. There it is. Alright. Let's continue on. Sorry about that, guys, but yeah. Oh, freaking hell. What the hell's wrong with this thing? Turn! Thank you! Finally! I'm still first, not by much now, thank you very much for my low battery. What's this next? Here's always funnest. Let's do this, eh? Yes! Did it! Let's go on. I'll do one more race for you. You want one more? Alright. No. Not strong as the last one I did. Thunderbolt! This one's a nice little one. And again, I love using my little misbehave. Got the boost! Damn it, missed. Missed it. Damn it, oh well. Right now, I'm just after some... There it is. Damn it! Missed the juice. Use my juice sparingly until I get some more. Where is it? Ah, there it is. What's that?
You turned on the weight machine.
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Make it? Yes, I did. Good. One of the nice little shortcuts that one is. A couple more. I can get to them safely. Yay! Made it! Finally. Damn you! Yes! Go, 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 go! Drop the captain's position, see? Six, the other boats are just right there. What can it take now? Now first, let's treat that by shoulder. There's a shortcut there, but I feel like taking this way. It's quicker for me. Yes, yes, yes! That's my best time. Well, I think that'll do it for tonight, guys. Till next time, this is Jazzstrato from Jazzstrato Let's Play saying, see you around on Jazzstrato Let's Play. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you'd like to leave a like. Subscribe if you want to. I really would like you to. I'm going to post a lot of neat stuff on this YouTube channel. Until next time, this is Jazzstrato from Jazzstrato Let's Play.